Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips, and today I want to share with you a very great tip that I learned from David Manning about presets and the GoPro and how you can change them without actually touching the back of the screen. So once you have your presets done, then what I'm going to share with you today is going to make it a whole lot easier, especially, for example, if you're in the water. So David, first of all, thank you for sharing this tip, and so glad to share it with you. And by the way, if you are using and now the GoPro Hero 10, you've upgraded from the 9, leave any comments. We'd like to see what other people have to say about upgrading to it now. So what David shared first of all was that with the Osmo Action 1 camera by DJI, they have a QS button on their camera, and so that is for quick switch mode to go to the different modes. With GoPro, you don't have a single button. What you have, which most people are aware, is, as I straighten my screen, you have that button right there, and then you can change to your different presets, which up to this point that I was aware of that you can do that. So what you could do now, and let me show you, and you would be using the front screen, is that you use the power button and also the shutter button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press and hold in the power button and then quickly press the shutter button, and then you'll be able to see the presets on your front screen. So here we go. I'm going to press and hold in the power button and then the shutter button, and there you go. Now to change the different presets that you have, you press the power button and you can switch between them. So very cool. Then once you find the one you want, so let's just say I want to go back to standard, press the shutter button, and now you are in there. Now if I were to do this, I'll show you what the back of the screen looks like. Again, you press and hold the power button in, the shutter button, and so you just get the tool icon. But again, once you pick the one you want, straighten my camera out, press the shutter button, you're good to go. If you wanted to go into the photo mode, you could do the same thing. So once you go there, you press, hold the power button in. Actually, I did it too quick. Power, and then, whoop, just takes a second. Power, and then the shutter button, and now I'm in there. And you can see I'm still learning to do it, but it's pretty easy to do. Again, once you find it, then you press the shutter button and you're good to go. So that is an awesome tip. Again, David, thank you so much. I will put a link to his channel where you can learn more, and I'm really thinking about upgrading from the 9 to the 10 and be curious to see what everybody has to say about upgrading to it. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.